DIYers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious crunchy plantain chips. So if you've watched the video so far, please remember to subscribe so that you can be part of our community. So without any waste of time, let's jump right into our video. So you're going to need unripe plantains, as you can see in the video, because you don't want ripe plantains. It will be difficult to get the crunch you're looking for, and it would not be firm enough. So preferably you use unripe plantains, as you can see. So you're going to peel off the skin of the plantains, and then you're going to use a potato peeler or a grater that has the part that can slice into thin strips, like you can see me doing. So you're just going to carefully slice through the plantains until it is over. Now you can slice it in however pattern or shape you want, but I decided to make a mix of circular and then a bit vertical, like you can see in the video. So basically this is me just slicing the plantains until it is all over. So yes, you can see that I'm using another style, so just feel free to explore whatever option you want to have. So you can see how light and thin the slices are. So now this is all ready, and we're going to heat up some oil in a pan so that we can fry our plantain chips. So you're going to start to drop them in little bits, one after the other, so that they don't get stuck together, and that's just what we're going to be doing. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to start to stir them at intervals, just flip, stir, so that they can evenly brown. And you have to be careful, you don't want it to brown, if not, it's going to be burnt. So the moment you start to notice a color change, then you can now start to take it out of the oil, like you're going to see me do in a few minutes. So this is what I'm looking for, and then I'm going to strain it in a strainer, and then I'm going to transfer that to a clean container. Once you're done, you're going to fry the remaining part, because I'm frying it in batches. I need the plantains to have enough space to do their thing and fry well. So this is the last batch we're going to be frying, and like you can see me doing, we're simply adding it to the vegetable oil, and then you're going to allow that to have the color change, and then you strain it out of the fire, of the heat, as per usual. And so guys, this easy plantain chips recipe is something you can try at home, and if you'd like, you can commercialize it so that you can earn some money from it. And now to the spicing part. Some people would prefer it to be spicy, some people would prefer it to have salt. So if you'd want any of that, you're going to add it while it's still warm, and then you'd allow it to cool properly, and then you transfer to an airtight container so that you maintain the crunch. Then for the other part, I'm going to be adding Yaji. So you're simply going to fetch a little bit, and then you sprinkle all over it, and then you shake and toss so that everywhere is coated properly. And that's it, guys. Your plantain chips is ready. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and share our videos to your friends and family so they can benefit from the recipes we share here. Thanks for watching, and as usual, I'll see you in my next post. Bye.